In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a red light ticket online in Tennessee State. The first thing to know is that Tennessee does not use one single statewide payment portal for red light camera tickets. Instead, payment usually depends on the specific city or municipality that issued the citation. So before you try to pay, make sure you are using the correct local website connected to your ticket. Start by opening the Tennessee Traffic Ticket Records or Record search page shown here. This can help you begin the process, but the most important point is to identify the city that issued your notice, because that determines where your payment will actually be processed. Next, gather the citation details from the notice you received in the mail. You'll typically need your ticket number, and in some cases you may also need the violation password or your license plate number. It's a good idea to keep the notice beside you while completing the payment so you can enter everything exactly as it appears. Even a small typo can make it harder to locate the ticket. Once you have that information ready, go to the official payment portal for the city or court listed on the citation. In Tennessee, different municipalities use different systems. Some cities have their own court payment pages, while others use third-party services that process citations for multiple local governments. The key here is to use the official portal connected to the issuing city, not just any general traffic website. After you reach the correct portal, enter the citation details requested on the page. This usually includes the ticket number and another identifier, such as the violation password or license plate number. When your citation appears, review the information carefully to confirm that it matches your ticket before moving forward. Then select the ticket you want to resolve and continue to the payment screen. From there, pay the fine using a valid credit card or debit card. Before submitting, take a moment to double check the amount due and any service fees that may appear during checkout. When the payment is complete, save or screenshot the confirmation page for your records. That can be very helpful if you ever need proof that the payment was made. One final note. Many red light and speed camera tickets in Tennessee are handled through local or private systems rather than a single state law enforcement payment process. Because of that, people sometimes get confused about how these citations work. If your goal is simply to avoid late fees or collection notices, paying through the official portal before the due date is the safest approach. And that's how to pay a red light ticket online in Tennessee State.